Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Grind School and you're watching the Trade of the Day. Today's trade of the day is GoPro. We like GoPro because we've been watching GoPro for a couple of weeks now, and after GoPro made a significant move to the upside after reporting positive earnings, they decided to pull off of this Bollinger Band and trade in this range. They decided to consolidate and trade within this range for the last couple of weeks. We actually thought that GoPro was going to continue higher if it broke its prior all-time high after making a new all-time high, but it failed to close above its prior all-time high. So we decided to stay out of the trade, which is actually a good thing simply because the next day it closed significantly lower. GoPro closed significantly lower after China devalued its currency. So after we saw this long bullish pattern after it closed below this 20-day moving average line, the midpoint of the Bollinger Bands, and it also tested the low of the range that GoPro has been trading in within the last couple of weeks. So those were two signals that we got from this trade to go ahead and enter a position. Also, this pattern closed within the bottom 25% of its range. Basically, this entire body is in the bottom 25% of this range, which indicates that the stock could be heading lower. So it was also on heavy volume. So there was a large sell-off yesterday because people were skeptical about what was going to happen to the U.S. stock stock market because of China, and it also, the MACD also crossed yesterday, which is another bearish signal. So we decided to enter the trade yesterday, and it paid off for us because GoPro actually closed or opened about $1.60 lower, and then it continued lower to the $4 range to test this bottom Bollinger Band and the 200-day moving average. It was also on heavy volume, and we decided to exit our trade or exit all positions today simply because there is no guarantee where GoPro is going to go after this move. So we made a significant profit right in this area. There's no telling what GoPro is going to do tomorrow or the next day, simply because it could test this 200-day moving average and continue higher. Also, it passed through this Bollinger Band significantly, and usually when that happens, it's a reversal signal. So we don't know what's going to happen to GoPro the next couple of days or week. However, we did have a signal to trade right here. A lot of the technical indicators lined up in our favor to make a nice profitable trade for the day. So that's it, you guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Please watch the other videos in the trade of the day. There will be plenty more information coming soon. Also, take a look at the tips to the trade, which talks about simply what we do in our trading to make us better traders. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and remember, if you don't grind, you don't shine.